This is Aman Agarwal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So last week I couldn't make the expiry video, but before that, as I said, the Nifty may consolidate in the range of 15,500 to 15,900, and the same thing happened. Nifty tried many times but couldn't clear 15,900 levels on the top side. And in this video we'll be looking at the charts for tomorrow's expiry, and also I will recommend you a stock which you can trade for tomorrow. So watch this video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. So now on screen we have Nifty's daily chart, and on daily chart, as you can see, Nifty tried many times. This was the first time, second time, third time, and yesterday was the fourth time Nifty tried to clear 15,900 levels, but it failed all the times. And now, as you can see, we closed at the all-time high. This is the all-time high closing on Nifty, and we are about to give a breakout. And if Nifty breaks 15,915 tomorrow and sustains above it, we may see 16,000 levels coming. And in the intraday charts too, we can see the same thing. Intraday chart, as you can see, it is clearly in an uptrend. And now if Nifty crosses this resistance 15,915, the all-time high level, then we will see 16,000 levels coming. And now let's analyze Nifty's option chain for tomorrow's expiry. So now on screen we have Nifty's option chain, and as you can see, Nifty closed at 15,880 and 15,800 and 15,800 put has 64 lakh open interest. In that, 29 lakh was added today. So 15,800 is now strong support for Nifty, and I don't think Nifty will go below 15,800 tomorrow. And when we see on the call side, 15,900 call has 46 lakh open interest, and in that 3,81,000 was reduced today. So 15,900 call writers already reduced their positions, already unwinded their positions, and it indicates that market will break 15,900 tomorrow and market will sustain there. And I am expecting market should go somewhere around 16,000. And 16,000 call has 67,77,000 open interest, so 16,000 will act as resistance. But I am expecting tomorrow market should make a new all-time high and market should come around 16,000 levels. So the put call ratio is at 1.245, and which is nearly oversold on an expiry day. And now the stock, as I said, I will be recommending a stock to trade tomorrow. So now let's look at that stock. Stock to trade for tomorrow is UPL, and as you can see, after the fall, UPL tried to recover, then it came down, and now UPL is giving a breakout, and it closed near the day high. The day high was 821.50 and it closed at 817, so it closed near day high. And UPL may go till 850. A stop loss should be placed at 805. So you can go long on UPL at the closing, around the closing price, for the targets up to 848.50 and a stop loss at 805. So before taking any trade, please ask your financial advisor. And that's all for today's video. I hope you like my video. Please share my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Also, the account opening link is given in description. You can open your account there using that link. Benefits are mentioned in description of this video. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. This is Aman Agarwal signing off. Thank you.